Ya Beauty, we believe true beauty starts at the roots. With a healthy, balanced scalp. That's why we've created a space where cutting-edge technology meets luxurious care. And where every detail is designed for your comfort, relaxation, and results you can feel. Scalp analysis. With Ya Beauty, your journey starts with a high-resolution scalp scan using the advanced Ya Beauty diagnostic system. This isn't just any analysis. It's a real-time intelligent assessment that helps us understand exactly what your scalp needs, whether it's dryness, oil imbalance, sensitivity, or hair thinning. Scalp Detox. We apply a targeted detox formula that draws out impurities, neutralizes free radicals, and delivers a potent antioxidant effect. It's like hitting the reset button for your scalp, immediately leaving it cleaner, lighter, and recharged. Micro mist application. Next, a warm micro mist envelops your scalp like a comforting cloud. This gentle steam opens your hair follicles, prepping them for deep cleansing and maximum nutrient absorption. It's not just treatment, it's part of the relaxation. Deep cleansing and massage. We lather a rich, soothing shampoo that removes buildup without stripping the scalp. Then, we apply a deeply nourishing hair mask, all while performing a slow, pressure-focused head massage. This step not only feeds your scalp with moisture and nutrients, but also melts away tension, anxiety, and fatigue. Near-infrared blow-dry. After treatment, we dry your hair using near-infrared technology, which preserves hair integrity, prevents heat damage, and leaves your strands shiny, soft, and full of life. Oxygen jet ampule injection. Your scalp is now a perfect canvas for nourishment. We use a gentle oxygen jet to infuse an ampule rich in active ingredients directly into your scalp, targeting areas that need it most, from hair loss zones to dryness-prone spots. Microneedling for scalp regeneration. Using ultrafine needles, this treatment boosts collagen production and opens microchannels for deeper product absorption. Galvanic device for enhanced absorption. Using a low-level electric current, the galvanic device enhances the penetration of active ingredients. Deep into the scalp, it boosts circulation, improves nutrient absorption, and amplifies the effectiveness of your treatment. Heated vacuum neck shoulder massage. This soothing therapy uses gentle suction and warmth to release muscle tension, boost circulation, and provide deep relaxation around the neck and shoulders. Sound wave massage uses gentle sonic vibrations to stimulate scalp cells, boost blood flow, and encourage relaxation and revitalization. Scalp recheck and comparison. A follow-up analysis to evaluate treatment results and highlight changes in your scalp. At Ya Beauty, we don't just treat symptoms, we transform scalp health and create an environment where luxury and results meet. Book your experience today and discover how your hair and your mind can truly thrive at Ya Beauty.